Hello friends, in this video we'll see how we can generate a corridor stack report. Okay, so here we have our corridor, and again let's go to our UK toolkit part, which is available on your under your toolbox. And then here under corridor, uh, we have an option for setting out report, okay, with the slopes and everything. So what you can do is just right click and execute it. Okay, and once you click on that, you will have option to select for which corridor and sample line group alignment and the corridor link that you want. You have it, and the material if you have already calculated the volume. Okay, so we have it calculated here, and our only one corridor that we have is the test tutorial corridor, and the alignment that we have is only one, and the alignment, this sample group is the only one we have, and also the alignment is the only one. You just select from there, and for this corridor link that we want, I want it actually at the top. Okay, so let's go and select the top or any link that you want. If you select a particular link, the display for the information of that particular link will be only available. Okay, but I want it for the top throughout our cross section of the alignment. Okay, so the top goes through. So let's add it, and also you can display cut fill area. I will just display it, keep it like that, and display the section images. That will make it interesting. Okay, and we can even display our right of way if we it is there. If we have it here and we have the code for it, then we can display that as well. Okay, and let me save it to my location, that tutorial location, and just save. Okay, so there's another with the name. So we keep it like the stake report, corridor, corridor report. Okay, corridor report, just like that, and save. And then we create report. Okay, once it's created, it will be open in your default browser. Okay, so it's open. Let me bring it here. Okay, it's open. You see. Now we have a corridor, and each one's data correspond dimension. Okay, it's an interesting report. You can even print it and uh, submit it. This is very good, like that. Okay, so another thing is let's just compare with our cross section that we have here. So for let's go for the first one, the channel 00. Okay, so at channel 00, let's done, click it and go to our 00. Okay, here. Okay, so let's see. It's doing like that, and our corridor stake. So here you see this one is 3000 something something at the crown and 00. It's at 00. Okay, it's actually the image. Let's open the image in another one, and so that we can zoom. Okay, you see. So here, EC is like 3.6. It's EC at 3.6. And if you go to the report here, the EC 3.6, 300.768 meter, 6% is there, 6% is here, and the corresponding elevation is here. So it's similar like the cross section. Okay, and it's in a format, and you have cut fill areas and everything, cumulative volume there, so everything at a glance. So this report is also a very interesting report. You can edit this company name and everything to as per your requirement. You can even edit the template for the report. Okay, so this is an interesting thing. So hope you guys like the video. uh, See you guys in the next video. Have a great time. Thanks for watching.